Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix charging to 80% on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So, in order to do that, all you have to do is simply go to the settings. In the settings, you want to go to the battery. And in the battery, we want to go to battery protection. As you can see, you want to basically check if you have set to maximum. If you have the battery protection set to maximum, this will mean that you won't be able to ever charge up your phone to a higher amount than 80%. Of course, we can also modify this value, but if you want to strictly fix this, all you need to do is simply switch it from maximum to basic or adaptive. Though adaptive is a little bit of wonky, so you might want to consider basic, or if you don't want any kind of battery protection at all, you can simply disable the battery protection. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.